Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Independence, Missouri? Northland Dumpsters is your go-to source for efficient and affordable waste management solutions. At Northland Dumpsters, we understand the importance of having a dependable dumpster service for your projects. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a construction site, or doing an extensive cleanup, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures you get the right fit for your project, from small residential cleanouts to large construction debris. We pride ourselves on exceptional customer service and prompt delivery. Our team ensures that your dumpster is delivered and picked up at your convenience, keeping your project on schedule and your property clean. Serving Independence, Missouri and the surrounding areas, Northland Dumpsters is committed to providing you with the best waste management solutions. Our affordable rates and flexible rental periods make managing your waste efficiently and cost-effectively easy. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.northlanddumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Independence MO or call 816-588-7819 to book your dumpster rental. Experience the Northland Dumpsters difference: reliable, affordable, and always on time. Northland Dumpsters, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Independence, Missouri.